We were born in simpler days, between cassette tapes and arcade plays. From 80 to the early 90 line, we grew up tough, we grew up fine. And now we're standing in the middle of town, with silver thoughts but hearts that shine. 40 years but we don't feel old, still got stories left untold. Mirror says one thing, soul says another. Still feel like a kid running undercover. We got young blood in these old bones, still chasing dreams we've always known. Look, 28, but the road's been long. Heartbeat 16 in a worn-out song. We laugh out loud, but we carry the weight of every choice and twist of fate. We ain't done, we won't slow down. We're the lost and found of this small town sound. Inside we're tired like 60 fields, still we run on broken wheels. Responsibility don't take a break, every promise we gotta make. Bills and burdens, names we sign, trading you just to buy some time. But deep inside that fire still burns, every scar a lesson learned. Body says rest, but the heart won't quit. Still got dreams we ain't done with. We got young blood in these old bones, still chasing dreams we've always known. Look, 28, but the road's been long. Heartbeat 16 in a worn-out song. We laugh out loud, but we carry the weight of every choice and twist of fate. Slow down, we're the fighters in this battleground. Yeah, the world's been twisted, cold and wild. Power games playing with every child, but we see clear through the smoking lies. We won't let the future die. We stand strong though the nights get dark, trying to leave behind a better spark for the ones who walk this road someday. We'll hold the line, we won't fade away. We got young blood in these old bones, still carry hope through broken roads. 40 years but we still believe in the dreams we wear on our sleeve. Yeah, we're tired, but we're standing tall. We won't let this whole world fall. For tomorrow's sons and daughters' dawn, we'll keep riding on and on. So raise a glass to the in-between. Not too old, not young and free, just soul still fighting, holding strong, singing life through a country song.